In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase part of an image in Canva. If you've ever taken a great photo, but there's a distracting object in the background, this quick method will help you clean it up without leaving the app. First, open your web browser and search for Canva. In the results, choose the official Canva site. If you see ads or look-alike links, ignore them and head straight to the main homepage. Sign into your account so your edits will autosave. Once you're in, open the design you want to work on. This could be an existing project or a brand new canvas. Drop your image onto the page if it isn't there already. Click directly on the photo on your canvas to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's active when you see the bounding box and the top toolbar appears. With the photo selected, look to the top toolbar and choose Edit Photo. In the editing panel that opens, find the Magic Studio section and click Magic Eraser. If you don't see it, make sure you're on the desktop site and that the photo itself is selected. A brush will appear, along with a size slider. Adjust the brush size so it roughly matches the object you want to remove. For detailed work, zoom in first so you can paint precisely. Now paint over the area you want to disappear. Use short, controlled strokes and slightly overlap your passes so Canva understands the full shape. Stay just inside the edges of the object to keep nearby details intact. If you accidentally cover too much, press undo and try a smaller brush. After you release your mouse, wait a few seconds while Canva processes the change. It will remove the marked area and intelligently fill the gap using the surrounding pixels so the result blends with the background. Take a moment to inspect the edges. If anything remains, repeat the process with a smaller brush to refine it. On busy backgrounds, it can help to erase in stages rather than all at once. When you're satisfied, close the editing panel or move on to the rest of your layout. Remember that autosave runs in the background. Give it a moment until you see that your changes are saved. That's it. You've erased part of an image in Canva quickly and cleanly. With a little practice, you can remove dust spots, stray objects, or even photobombers and keep the focus where it belongs.